I am here to extend the solidarity of CPM and also the state of Kerala. Tamil Nadu and Kerala are together always. There is Stalin and Comrade Pinarayi Vijayan. They are brothers in this fight against central government. Kerala is going to host the next meeting against the UGC draft guidelines. The other day when I was speaking in Rajya Sabha, as Mr. Manoja pointed out, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan got up and tried to justify the guidelines. My point of view is like this. The union government is behaving like the British Empire and the governors are like the viceroys. They want to trample upon the autonomy of the state governments. There are 1,074 universities in this country. 1,074. Out of 1,074 universities, only 56 universities are central universities. Now, through this guideline, they want to usurp into the functioning of all the universities in this country. Kerala, last 5 years, the governor was running amok. He made RSS people the vice chancellors. The institutions like Syndicate and Senate have been completely trampled upon. BJP always talks about the 42nd amendment during emergency. Education was taken out of the state list and made a concurrent list as part of the 42nd constitutional amendment. If they have a moral right to talk against the emergency, they should revert this. They should give back education to the states. That is what they should do. And I also want to remind you that 2013, when Narendra Modi was the Chief Minister of Gujarat, he brought in a piece of legislation to remove Governor as the Chancellor. And what is his right to question the right of the states like Tamil Nadu and Kerala? This is a fight, and I am glad that the DMK student wing has come to Delhi. Soon, other students from other states also will come to Delhi. This is the start, beginning of a great protest against the viceroys and the empires. Lal Salam.